This evening, devaluation tax. Opposition leader slams use of BOJ profits as an indirect tax on the poor. COVID heist. Probe launched into the circumstances leading to theft of COVID-19 vaccine. And vaccines being squandered. Audit launched to find ways to stop the waste.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. This evening, we're asking, have issues surrounding the AstraZeneca vaccine caused you to change your mind about accepting it? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.